business agenda.
So with the launch of Tigris this spring, Busch Gardens will boast more thrills than ever. With the addition to the park, we look to create lifelong memories with all of our guests. We invite you now to take a walk through memory lane as we begin our journey to an exciting future. History is in the making at Busch Gardens.
Busch Gardens Tampa. I'm not going to most business agenda.
So we are very excited to announce the arrival of a record-breaker roller coaster in 2020 to Busch Gardens. Our newest attraction will be North America's tallest and the fastest, steepest hybrid roller coaster in the world. So working with Rocky Mountain Construction, the wood steel hybrid coaster will feature a maximum height of over 200 feet tall, as well as all new thrill elements. The future of our park is very thrilling, and we look forward to sharing all these exciting details with you and as the excitement builds at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Thank you everyone for joining us this evening, and thanks for joining us for the ride.